guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amapenzo TV. It's the KF Confed Cup. Zesco 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski. Nonjebe. No. El Estrata. Yeah.
Right. Ngiyakubonisa something man. Igame isadlala lapha thina sizokhuluma ngayo
For further understanding.
Yeah, bese sokhuluma ngayo iCamera yabo. Well, sibe kunezinye izinto engezona ezebhola but ngizigcine zi-apply ebholeni okanye zigcine zithatha i-direction osizifuna uku-apply ebholeni.
Okay.
Well, njengomuntu we-accounting.
Yes, man.
There is a formula yokucalculate i-depreciation ye-asset. Leyo formula leyo sibiza ngokuthi it's a straight line method.
Okay.
So enye yama formula engiwathanda ku-accounting because ikunikeza i-simplicity as well as i-consistency.
Sure.
Remember ngithe it's a straight line
Formula.
A straight line method okanye straight line formula yokucalculate depreciation yama assets.
Sure.
Well, I think today into esebenzile for i-Chiefs iyona leyo nto leyo because if sibheka the formula le straight line method,
yes.
La sisuke sithi cost of i-asset minus i-salvage value divide by useful life yani i-assets leso esicalculate. Yabo lonto simple kanjani. Sithatha i-cost of i-assets minus i-salvage value divide ngani i-useful of i-life yaleyo assets. Yabo straightforward.
Sure.
Well, even i-Chiefs today into eyenzile ibe straightforward like i-straight line sabo even beyegemini umuthi uyachecka indlela bebe ngokwebhola sithi i-spine se-team.
Yeah.
But ngokwama calculations lento le ngayibuyisela ngithi it's a straight line method because bebe nokwinika bebe nondlovu bebe no silver.
Yeah.
Yabo silabantu labe ngibamention nabo yi3 ukwinika ula phambi kwepala sibe nondlovu la phambi kwabani phambi kwakwinika
Sure.
phambi kwandlovu kuzoba khona bani kuzoba khona usilver. Yabo sikwakheka i-straight line.
Yeah.
There is why even igame esithi yachecka iZesco beku difficult ukuthi bepenetrate kuphi la central.
Yes.
Ingakho nama free kick amaningi bebewawina kuphi bebewawina kwi-channel okanye bebewawina wide.
Yeah.
I-Chiefs bibayeke it's okay it's fine namba niyowina laphana but la sizoba ne straight line.
Yeah.
Sisuka kuphi sisuka goalkeeper wethu size kwi-center back yethu size kuNdlovu siye kubani siye na kuSilver. Yes, ubona nangegoal iChiefs elikorile today. Well, umuntu uzothi hayibe kuyikhona lezi zinto lezi ayi-apply but muthi uyacheck irun yakhe ayishayile urun from iFar Post wabuya weza la central ingakho khonile ukuthi ithule la bhola because umuntu njengoSilver umuntu ohleze kuphi ela phambi kwepali lela kora kulona.
Yeah.
Remember yena uyi-striker i-aim yakhe wenze njani ukuthi akore ukuthi akore ama-goal. Behind yena kunabondlovu kunabokwenika. Yabona le straight line sisanjani sisa-maintaineka. I think ibaspanelile leyo nto leyo sibo today.
Sure.
And again ubonile nange-second half if ikhipha uMabuwe bafaka abantu bafaka uThulani Mabaso ucishe efane naye uNdlovu besazo-maintaina so nale straight line lesi ebekade vele ukuthi kube khona sithi spine ngokwebhola.
Yes, man.
So I think ibaspanelile lonto today.
Big time.
iZesco bayiyeke ukuthi okay fightani lapha thina sizo-maintaina i-straight line sethu la.
Yes.
Sibo ngihleze ngitshela mina ngeplayer ukuthi nga-appreciate uba ne-player njengoPulemoti. Yabo nje kwi-Chiefs alikho iplayer enga-appreciate ukuba nalo edlula uPulemoti because i-challenge abantu abaningi bacheck ukuthi uyashweba ne.
Yes.
But lento sihleze sikhuluma even behind the camera ukuthi you rather have someone who create ama chances because lapho you stand a chance ukuthi wenze njani ukuthi ukore anytime. You understand? Even ama areas abakona uba kuma areas are right ukuthi a challenge yini a challenge space okanye create ama goal scoring opportunities. Ngijabulile today ukuthi leli goal leli Chiefs ewine ngalo kuKoribane mode because like baningi abantu ababebelo bemcriticize well abanye angeke ngibablame because bona babheka ekuthenini iplayer mele create ama chance ifanele njani ikore but for mina kuba newing kanje like ngaka appreciate because angiqala ukumbheka manje even naku Arrows lezi zinto azenza ku Chiefs naku Arrows ubezenza like consistently create ama chances for Arrows so ngihappy ukuthi ukorile today and then well done to iKaizer Chiefs angizokuba mude sizoyibamba lapho namhlanje.
Thank you media.
Siyabonga.
Asibonga.